Today we're learning how to calculate sales tax, tip, markup, and discount. So all we're going to need to know for today is this equation that we've actually been using already. We're going to be taking our percent and multiplying that by the cost. And that's going to be equaling either our tax, our tip, our markup, our discount, whichever one we're trying to find. That's what's going to help us find it. Okay, so we're going to start with sales tax, tip, and markup. These are all things that are going to be added to the price of an item or service. So as soon as we find whatever that markup, tip, or sales tax is, we just need to add it to the cost. So example 1, a notebook costs $2.95 and the sales tax is 7%. Find the tax and total cost of the notebook. So we're going to take our percent, our tax, times the cost. I'm going to convert my percent to a decimal, move that decimal spot over 2 times, so I got 0.07 times 2.95, and then I just need to multiply that. Okay, I'm going to round up to 21 cents and add that to the price. So our total price after tax is $3.16. Okay, let's try another one. Drew wants to buy soccer cleats that cost $140 and the sales tax is 5.75%. What is the total cost of the cleats? So we're just going to do the same thing. You can put percents in your calculator. If you do not remember how to do that, just go ahead and convert to a decimal with me again. Move that decimal twice. We're going to put this in as 0.0575 and then multiply that by 140. We get $8.05. We'll add that to 140. We get $148.05 will be the total cost. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. People can move around the room, try this with a partner, and come back and see if you got it right. What is the total cost of a sweatshirt if the regular price is $42 and the sales tax is 6.5%? So we should get a total of $44.73. Okay, next we're going to be working with tip. We're going to be doing the same thing we were doing with sales tax. So I'm actually going to just do one example for you. I've already done the first one. If you want to pause and just write that down real quick, but I'm just going to be talking about example 4. Example 4, a haircut costs $45. If Sam leaves a 20% tip, what will be the total before tax? So 20% times $45, move our decimal. I'm going to take 0.2 times 45. It's $9. Add that to 45. And our haircut total is $54. Okay, once again for the got it, we can pause the video, get up and move around, try it for yourself. Scott wants to tip his Uber driver 20%. If his commute costs $15, what is the total cost? Okay, total cost for the Uber is $18. Maybe some of you, when you saw 20% of 15, just automatically knew that was 3 after everything we did last week. If we're trying to find 20% of 15, 10% of 15 is 1.5, so double that to get 20%. Okay, next section is about markup. Once again, this is solved the same way we've been doing it, so I'm only going to be going over one. If you want to jot down how I did example 5, you can. Example 6. Find the selling price of a $62.25 Bluetooth speaker with a 60% markup. All right, so markup is when the store gets the item from a wholesaler or wherever, and they're going to mark up that price to make a profit. So we usually don't see this markup happening. This is just what they're going to price it at in the store. So 60% times 62.25, move our decimal. We're going to take 0.6 times $62.25. We get $37.35. We'll add that to the cost. So $99.60. Okay, again, pause the video. Come back once you've solved it for yourself. A store pays $150 for a portable basketball backboard, and the markup is 40%. What is the selling price? Okay, hopefully you got $210 for the selling price. Last thing for today is discount. So this is money taken off the starting cost of an item or service. So we will find the discount the same way we were finding tax, tip, and markup. Then we're going to be subtracting that from the total cost. Example 7, a book normally costs $22. This week it is on sale for 25% off the original price. What is the sale price of the book? So again, we're just going to take 25% times 22. That's the same as 0.25 times 22. Remember, don't write money like this. I got 5.5, but I should put a 0 next, $5.50, and that is going to be taken off the price. So 22 minus $5.50. New price of the book is $16.50. Example 8, headphones are on sale for 30% off. If the original price was $239.89, what is the sale price? We need to find 30% of $239.89. We'll round this to $71.97. And take that away from our price. And we've got our calculators. It's okay to go ahead and plug this in as well. After the discount, the cost is $167.92. All right, last got it. A shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off the regular price. What is the sale price of the shirt? So we need 15% of 42, $6.30. Take that away from 42. Okay, homework for today is going to be on Class Kick. Slide 6. And I should see all of you tomorrow.